Before you make your very first batch of ice with the GoveeLife Smart Countertop Ice Maker model H717D, page 9 of the user manual states that Govee strongly recommends running a full cleaning cycle using a diluted dish detergent solution. This step is recommended for first-time use because it removes factory oil, dust, and manufacturing residue from the internal water path so your ice stays clean from the start. Since the manual doesn't specify an exact amount of detergent, I contacted Govee customer support for clarification. According to Mandy, typically 1 to 2 teaspoons of detergent mixed with water is sufficient for the cleaning cycle, and she also emphasized rinsing thoroughly afterward to remove any detergent residue. The ice maker holds up to 2 liters or about 8.5 cups of water. To avoid going over the max fill line during the cleaning cycle, only pour in 8 cups of water mixed with 1 teaspoon of dish detergent. This keeps you safely under the limit while still giving the machine enough water to run the full cleaning cycle. This is what the inside of the ice maker looked like during the cleaning cycle. As you can see, the detergent created a lot of foam, which is normal when the machine agitates the water. When the detergent cleaning cycle finishes, the ice maker will beep 3 times to let you know the process is complete. You'll also notice that the blue light turns off at the end of the cycle. If you're using a Govee mobile app, you'll also receive a notification that says wastewater cleaned. After the cycle ends, this is what the inside of the ice maker looks like. The foam has risen and covered the entire water tank. To make the rinsing process easier, scoop out as much of this foam as you can before running your rinse cycles. To remove all the bubbles, I ran the cleaning cycle 3 times using clean water. I also poured water along the inside walls of the tank while the drain plug was removed to help flush everything out. By the end of the second rinse, the soap was completely gone. But I ran one more cycle just to make sure that the ice produced afterward had no soap taste at all. This is the end of the third and final rinse cycle. At this point, I'm preparing the ice maker for the ice making process by rinsing the water intake filter screen, reinstalling the drain plug, and rinsing and wiping the ice basket dry. I've pretty much done my part. It's time for this ice maker to show what it can do. The ice making cycle is now complete and the basket is full. I selected the large size for this batch, and you can see how clear and well formed the ice turned out. This is the amount the basket holds, just enough to fill a quarter-size Ziploc bag. That's normal for a countertop ice makers, since they stop once the basket is full, even with the water still left in the tank. If I want more ice, I'll just press start to continue the cycle. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video where I use food grade citric acid to descale this ice maker.